This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can align your text vertically in Google Sheets. Here I have a spreadsheet, and notice in row 1 that the text by default appears at the bottom of the cell. This will happen when your text is smaller or much smaller than the cell itself. What if I want the text to appear at the top of the cell or in the middle of the cell? This is what you do. You highlight the cells that you want to change, and then you're going to go over here to where this arrow is located with the down arrow. Click on that and you will see 3 options. You can align to the top, which means when I click on that, the text will go to the top of the cell. Or you can have it appear on the bottom of the cell, which is the default, or if you want that text to appear in the middle, you select this icon in the middle, and now the text is in the middle. And along with that, you can still change the horizontal alignment by pressing this button here and selecting left, center, or right. So this video shows you how to vertically align text in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.